Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Dan. You may remember Dan from some of the videos. We've documented his surgery day, and in pretty much every month since then, he's been coming in and talking about his experience, and every month he's had more and more hair. So he's now just finished his 8th month, and so we still actually have some more hair that's going to come in and thicken up. So it's hard to believe he's going to have more hair, but it's true. And Dan went home for Thanksgiving. You hadn't seen his family since last Thanksgiving.
Yeah, my brothers,
in person, I guess.
In person.
And I guess they knew that you had a transplant,
yes.
But what was your experience when you saw him?
When I came walking into the house, the wives didn't know who I was. They had probably a 3 to 7 second, who the heck is this? and then all of a sudden, all the oohs and the ahs, and everybody's playing with my hair like I thought I was a kid again.
Oh,
you know, when you're a kid
awesome.
and everybody, oh, you're so cute.
Yeah. So there you go. So that's his family. You didn't recognize him. So it's a nice positive change.
And my older brother, he says, and he's getting ready for retirement, and he's probably a little bit worse than I was, and he says, I got to get this done.
Yeah. So,
and my dentist, who's 30, it's funny because I'm the dentist, and he's about 37, and he's starting to lose his hair. He goes, at least I know where to go as this thing starts to leave. So
excellent.
It's been interesting last month.
Excellent.
For sure.
Well, thank you so much for showing people everything, and that's the way our practice grows. We believe in doing things the right way, one patient a day. And that's how we grow our business. People like you referring people to us.
Yeah.
And
I'm lucky too because I'm fairly close to your office,
mm-hmm.
and not that I didn't look all over the world for doctors, but it just happened to be Dr. Huebner and I. So I come in every month, and not that you have to, but I like the guy.
Thank you. After a year goes by, he has his final result. We're going to reevaluate things. Most likely, what I'd like to do is get him even more hair. So a second procedure, while it's never absolutely required, will really fill in and give you more density. And we want to get some back in the back as well because we didn't really get the crown last time. So
I didn't have
we'll
enough.
see.
I didn't have enough loose meat.
Yeah, it can only take so much of the time.
But I did get a neck lift while I was at it.
Excellent. Well, thanks again, and we'll be seeing you 9, 10, 11, 12 months. And thanks again, man.
No, you're more than welcome.